How to completely delete Valorant from PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can completely delete Valorant from PC. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, there are numerous ways to completely remove the Valorant game from your PC, especially if you install them using the Riot Games launcher. You can uninstall using those. But the quickest and easiest way to uninstall Valorant from your computer is always via the control panel settings. So from your Windows, just go to the search bar and then just type in control panel over here. Open up control panel and then you will see this type of interface where you'll see programs and you'll find the option called uninstall a program. So make sure to go to uninstall a program option here. And here you'll be able to see a list of all the games, mods, add-ons that you might have installed to your computer, including also the drivers. So assuming you find the Valorant game here, now in my case, I've already uninstalled it. If you haven't done, you'll find Valorant, right click on Valorant and then click the uninstall button. I'm taking another game as an example, but if you do have, you'll find them here, right click on uninstall and Valorant will get successfully uninstalled. If you don't play any of the other games from Riot Games, you can also just choose to uninstall Riot Games launcher as well. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.